Hello and welcome to this new video tutorial of CS Card Progressive Web App. In the previous video, we just showed you how using the mobile browser, a user can install the PWA on his Android homepage and how he can access the Progressive Web App thereafter. Now in today's video tutorial, I'll be taking you through the initial configuration settings and the rest of the options like how to manage the push notifications and how to manage the push subscribers there in the admin backend panel for the CS Card backend there. For the CS Card Progressive Web App itself. But before I proceed further with this particular video tutorial today, please do subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to receive the latest updates from our end. And if you find this particular video helpful, then do kindly give it a thumbs up. So first of all, what I'll be doing is I'll be taking you to the admin backend panel and we'll be checking out the initial configuration settings for this particular progressive web app for the CS Card. So for that, I've already logged into the admin backend panel, and to make the initial configuration settings, what I need to do is I need to go to the add-ons and manage add-ons. And on the manage add-ons page, I'll have to search for the progressive web app that I've already installed on my under my installed add-ons there. So here I'll be searching for progressive web app, and you can see that it allows the web capabilities to deliver an app-like experience to the customers. So to make the initial configuration settings, I'll tap here on the gear icon and tap on the settings option thereafter. Now this brings up the progressive web app configurations and the web push notification configurations as well. So let's go through each of them one by one. So the very first thing that you need to set up is the application name. So here you have to set up the application name for your progressive web application name. So you can set it up as per your own requirement. Then you can set up the application short name. Now this name will appear on the mobile home screen. So whenever the user is installing the progressive web app on his mobile home screen, at that time the application short name, whatever you have entered here, would be visible to the customers there itself. Then we have the theme color. So from here you can choose the theme of the progressive web app as per your own requirement. In the previous video we had the same theme color. Then we have the splash background color. So here you can choose the splash because whenever you are opening the progressive web app from the icon that is installed on the home screen of your Android device, what happens is that whenever you tap on that particular application shortcut, it basically brings up a splash screen initially, and thereafter the website loads within that particular app itself. So you can set up the splash background color as well, and you can set up the application icon as well, and this icon is visible within the splash screen itself, so you can set that up. Then we have the push notification web push notification configuration. So here you can set up the what we say as the Firebase cloud messaging sender ID and the Firebase cloud messaging API key. So now these two things are required basically for sending the push notifications to the customers on the progressive web app itself. Now after setting these things up, you have to tap here on the save button to save the initial configuration settings for the progressive web app there. Now after the successful installation of this particular add-on, that's the CS Card Progressive Web App, if you go to the website section, the admin backend panel, you'll find one option with the name Progressive Web App, and here you'll be able to manage push notifications, subscribers, and you will be able to send push messages to the customers who have subscribed there. Now under the progressive web app, here we have two options. One is the manage push notifications and manage push subscribers. So first let's check out the manage push notifications. So if I tap here on the manage push notifications, so here initially if you're coming to this section for the first time, then this particular section would be empty. Now to create a new notification, what you need to do is you need to tap here on the new push notification button that you can see here. That's the add button. Apart from that, if you've already created a push notification, you can edit it, delete it, or resend the particular one as per your own requirement there. And from the drop down as well, you can delete the particular push notifications that you have already created. To edit a particular one, you just need to tap here on the edit button, and that would take you to the edit notification section, as you can see here. And there you can change the title, the message, if any image, or the target URL if you want to set up. And then you can update the notification by tapping on the update notification button, and the particular notification or the push notification would be updated. And then you can tap on the resend button to send the notification to your subscribers there. Now, how to add a notification? Just tap here on the add notification. So let me enter the title here, discount on watches, get 15% discount. I'll add one image, so let me add an image for this new push notification there. I'll set the target URL, so whenever any customer is tapping on this particular image there, he'll be redirected to the target URL that we have entered here within this particular section. And then we'll tap on the create notification button. So you can see that the notification has been created with the title discount on watches. The image is there, the message is get 15% discount, and from here we can notify the customers by tapping on the notify button. So if I tap on the notify, this would send the push notification to the particular subscribers. So if you remember, then at the time when the customers were trying to install the progressive web app, when they are opening your website on the mobile browser, they see a push notification option there that the website wants to send you notification. So if you have allowed that in that particular section there, then only you'll be able to receive the push notifications on your mobile device, the ones that you've sent out from here to the customers. And after that, you'll be able to edit or delete any of the push notifications here. So if I refresh this page now, here you'll be able to edit, delete, or resend the push notification back to the customers as per your own requirement there. Now coming to the other section, that's the manage push subscribers. Here you will find the complete list of push subscribers with the subscription IDs, their type of browser, whether it's a Chrome, Mozilla, Firefox, etc., the country, the IP address, the device, whether it's an Android device, Linux, etc., and with the date and the time as well. So from here you can select any of the subscribers if you want to unsubscribe that particular subscriber from receiving the push notifications. So you can select that particular subscription ID, and you can tap here on the delete selected to delete the particular subscribers there. Alright, so from here under the website progressive web app manage push notifications, you can create and send the push notifications, and under the manage push subscribers you'll be able to manage the push subscribers there itself. So yes, that was much about the backend configuration of the CS card progressive web app there, and I hope it helped you out in understanding the workflow of the same. If you still have any questions, queries, suggestions, or requirements regarding the same, then you can anytime get back to us at support@webkul.com, or you can raise a ticket at webkul.uvidesk.com as well. Apart from that, if you find this particular video helpful, then do kindly give it a thumbs up. And lastly, thanks for watching this particular video, and have a great day ahead.